stuff. So they have my exact car that look like the exact seat covers that supposed to be the original ones. And like I said, got the year, Oldsmobile Cutlass custom real leather seat covers. I wanted to see, like I said, I couldn't find any videos or pictures of people having the two-tone color perforated insert. I don't know what that is, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I was contemplating on either the insert one, the two-tone color.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I failed, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it right while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now this video is gonna be another talking video. I know most of y'all don't like this type of stuff, but I want to get y'all opinions on something before I decide to go all in on it, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all don't know, if y'all are new to my channel, I have a 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, original motor, but the interior was fully customized by my dad at one point, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm redoing the entire car, from filling in the rust holes to new floor pans to getting the motor running right. Like I've done a lot, you know what I'm saying, to this car so far. And I'm changing the color of it. The color was like a sky blue and yellow. I want to do something a little bit more plain instead of outrageous, you know what I'm saying? I want to do a darker blue, like this kind of blue, sort of. Well, I can show y'all because I can't show y'all because it's in here, but I painted the dash. If y'all haven't checked that out, go check that video out and y'all see the kind of blue I'm doing. So I'm doing like a Kentucky / Duke Blue Devils blue and black, you know what I'm saying? Something plain, nothing too crazy, nothing too outrageous. And I wanted to send the car to get custom seats made, you know what I'm saying? But the car had been gone so long at the mechanic shop to get the new floor pans welded and a rear bumper pulled a little bit, like a few things, you know what I'm saying, for the body of the car. It's been gone for 4 months now, and I just don't want to send my car off again and then be gone for a long time again. Plus, there is no custom interior shops near me. The only one that's near me is about an hour and a half away, almost 2 hours away. And then I wouldn't be able to even see my car, you know what I'm saying? I don't want my car just sitting, like I said, in another shop. So y'all know most of the interior parts I'm painting myself, but the only thing I'm not gonna be able to do is the top part of my door panel unless I find like some material to wrap it with. But like I said, I wanted to come to y'all today, and if y'all read by the title, it's about these seats. And I don't know if they're seat covers or the actual material for the seat, but I've been doing a little bit of research on them. So some people, when they was installing them, like different cars, you know what I'm saying, some people had to stitch them together, and some of them came already fully together. All you had to do is just put them on the seats, take your old seat covers and stuff off, your originals or whatever, and put these over, you feel me, and probably most likely have to add more cushion to it. So like I said, I wanted to come to y'all in this video to really get y'all opinion and see what y'all say. And if any of y'all have ordered from this site, then I wanted y'all to message me on my Instagram. My Instagram should have popped up already. I want y'all to message me on my Instagram at 01Deuce and send me some pictures of it, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, this video, I just want to get y'all opinions and see what y'all say before I just jump on it, you feel me, and spend $1,000 on ordering this stuff without really knowing any full details. But like I said, I've done a little research myself, and I've looked around and seen like pictures of people having them in their cars, watched a few videos of people putting them in their cars, and it's mixed reviews, you know what I'm saying? It's 50-50. Some people saying they really love the material, how good it is. It just took a little minute for it to come in because, you feel me, it's custom material. And the other half of people were saying they don't like the way the material feel, or it felt, not even that it felt cheap because it's real leather, but it felt like it wasn't snug. It wasn't like a snug fit to the seats, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm trying to order. Now it's a couple of things I still got like in questions, but and then I'm gonna show y'all a couple pictures of people that already got theirs and installed them in their cars and stuff. Like I said, I've been doing a little bit of research, so I've been trying to figure out what I wanted to do before I just jumped the gun and ordered this stuff. And I still got to get my door panels wrapped, the top half anyways, you know what I'm saying? But the main things are the door panels and the seats. That's really it. Everything else I'm doing it myself, you feel me? And like I said, I wanted to get y'all opinion on this before I just jumped the gun and got it. So before we get started, before I show y'all everything, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. And make sure y'all click the share button and share this channel to as many people as y'all can to help me grow and help the channel grow so we can start doing more things, you feel me, with these cars. So, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. We're finna get right into it. I'm finna try to pull everything up on my phone to have it ready. That way I won't be wasting y'all time, you know what I'm saying? So, I will catch y'all in 1 second after I get everything ready. Alright guys, so first I want to show y'all the website. It should be in the title. It's lseat.com, lseat.com. This is not no sponsor video or anything, but like I said, I want to get y'all opinions on this stuff. So they have my exact car that look like the exact seat covers that supposed to be the original ones, and like I said, got the year, Oldsmobile Cutlass custom real leather seat covers. So you will take, like I said, you will take your actual seat covers off that's already on here, your original ones or whatever you have, and you'll put these ones over it. Now the good thing about this, like I said, you can customize the color. So y'all see the regular leather color. I was going to do a black. If y'all see, I already got it marked out. I don't know if y'all can tell. And then the secondary color, I was going to do this blue right there. So that blue is my secondary color. And like I said, this is just the front seats, and the front seats are $350. But after I wanted to see, like I said, I couldn't find any videos or pictures of people having the two-tone color, or, well, I don't want no logo, but no, I couldn't find no video of people having the two-tone color. Diamond stitch, I did see this. I seen the diamond stitch. The pipeline, I know what the pipeline is. It's just, you feel me, it looked kind of thick, so I really didn't care too much about that. But that one either. I want to try and say perforated insert. I don't know what that is, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I was contemplating on either the insert one, the two-tone color, or the diamond stitch. But like I said, I haven't seen no videos on those besides the diamond stitch. I seen a picture of the diamond stitch. So like I said, this is the front seats, and like I said, I was gonna customize it. And this is somebody who ordered it, and they got them in their Oldsmobile Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? And it looked good, you feel me, the diamond stitch. But I don't think I want diamond stitch, you feel me? I don't think I do. But like I said, they got theirs. So that's the front seats. They got front and rear, so you gotta buy this stuff separately. That's their front seats. So like I said, you gotta buy the seat stuff separately. So you get front seats, then you get back seats. So I already got this one in my cart ready, but like I said, I don't know if I want to get the two-tone or the insert, because I don't know what those two are. I haven't seen those two in picture form, you feel me? But my primary color is going to be black, and my secondary color is going to be that blue there, because that's what I'm doing for the car. So that was the front seat, and here go the rear seats right here, and they're the same price, you know what I'm saying? Same price, is just, you feel me, I'm gonna have to multiply by 2. So that's why I'm saying I'm gonna be spending almost $1,000 on this. So it's gonna be $350, $356, $700 plus probably tax and shipping. And I don't know how long it's gonna take. Some people were saying it took 2 months. Some people were saying it took half a year. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm trying to figure out, if it'll be better if I order this and finish what I'm doing, and then when they come in, install it, or if I should go ahead and just try to send the car off to an interior shop, you know? So like I said, this the same way. I was gonna do black for the main color, and then the secondary color, that blue. But I don't know about the two-tone or the insert. The only thing I've seen is the pipeline and the diamond stitch. But this is his seats. I'm gonna show y'all this picture. It looked really good, bro. I'm telling you, it looked really good, and it looks snug. But I know I'm gonna have to, when I get ready, if I want to do mine with this, I'm gonna have to add more cushion in my seats, because you feel me, my cushion is, it's like old, so I'm gonna need more cushion in there. I'm gonna have to redo the cushion. But that's both of them together. Like I said, I like this, and I think it'll look good if I do it like this. And I'm pretty sure most people, when they do the interiors, custom interiors, they use this type of stuff, you feel me, just seat covers like this, and then they wrap the seats and stuff. So like I said, I'm contemplating on what I want to do, and this is it in the car. Like I said, it looks really good. I like it. Honestly, I like it, you feel me? And then I want to show y'all, I got on Facebook and I've searched it, and I've seen a couple people. Type it back in, and it went off now. I've seen a couple people that have ordered it, and they showed their pictures of their material and stuff. And like I said, it looked good. So this is somebody's in their car. They took a pretty far picture, but you feel me, from my point of view, it looked pretty good. And like I said, a bunch of people commented. Look, here go another one. You know what I'm saying? So the seats look good. It's just the fact that, I don't know. You feel me? I'm just trying to figure out which route I want to really go. This is another one. They get just plain beige, like tan color. You know what I'm saying? Look good. Seat fit snug, they said. And here go a fully custom one somebody did. They got the look like speakers in the headrest, the emblem, the pipeline. Y'all see the pipeline is white, and then it's all black. Look good, man. I like that one too. That one's fully custom. You feel me? They did a lot with that one. They got the logo in it. Like I said, the headrest speakers. It fits snug. They got the pipeline. Here goes somebody else's, and they did a logo up there on the seat, and then custom insert. Like I said, this stuff look good and it fits snug. And then some people were saying they had this stuff on their car for a couple years and the material still look basically brand new, you know? So honestly, look at that, bro. They look good. And they got the logo in the headrest. If y'all can, yeah, y'all can see it, the Mazda logo in the headrest. I like that, bro. I like it. So that's basically a few of the pictures. Here go another person car. Theirs not that snug, you know what I'm saying, not that tight, but probably if they add more cushion it might be, you know. But the material look good, and like I say, it's real leather, so it's not no cheap material that's just getting done. And they said that, so with this one, I'm finna read it to y'all. They said, finally got the seats from lseats.com after 11 months. So you feel me, that's a whole year it took for them seat covers to come in. But it said not bad at all for $200 after discount. Certainly not perfect, but pretty good. That's what they said. So I'm gonna block their name out so they don't get. But you feel me, y'all can read it there. Pause the screen if y'all want to. But yeah, they said $200. So if I can get a discount code too, so $200, that'd be $400 for front and rear. You know what I'm saying? If I can get a discount code. But like I said, it just all really depends what y'all think. I want to get y'all opinion. That's the whole point of this video. I just showed y'all examples and stuff and told y'all what I was trying to do. But like I said, I haven't seen any pictures of the one that said perforated insert and two-tone. So I haven't seen no pictures or videos of them. Only pictures and videos I've seen, like I just showed y'all, was the diamond stitching and the pipeline. So like I said, my color scheme I want to do is mainly all black seat with like blue, you know what I'm saying, probably like some blue stitching or something. And I could probably message them and tell them how I want it done, you know what I'm saying. So face look like he's breaking out more. But yeah, like I said, I want y'all opinion because I need to know what y'all think I should do. If y'all think I should go ahead and do that, order these seat covers. Like I said, it's an iffy thing knowing how long it's going to take for it to come in. If it's only going to be a few months, like 2-3 months, or it's going to be a whole year. You know what I'm saying? Some of them people were saying theirs came in a few months. Then I read y'all that one that said it came after 11 months. So, like I said, I'm not in a rush to get this car done. I wouldn't mind waiting 11 months. It's just whatever y'all really think, you know what I'm saying, y'all think I should do. If I should get them seat covers, or if I should just say forget it and send it to a interior shop and let them deal with it, you know what I'm saying? Even though that's gonna be more money sending it to the interior shop when I can do it at home myself and only spend the money on getting the material. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all opinion. I want to know what y'all think, and I'm gonna go from there, you know what I'm saying? So catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. All right guys, so like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. I really want y'all opinion. I want to know what y'all think. I want to pick y'all brain, you know what I'm saying, a little bit on it to see what y'all think I should do. Like I said, I like the material, I like how it looked, and most of the cars, they fit snug, and then some of them they didn't. And like I said, I watched a few videos on them as well. One dude complained about it, saying he didn't like it, and then another dude, but the dude that complained about it in the video, he had Recaro seats. If y'all know Recaro seats, most people get them for like race cars, or like people having like Miatas and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And another dude had his for his pickup truck, and he redid his interior, or his seats anyways, because his seats was ripping up bad. So, and he said he liked the material, he liked the way it fit and everything. So like I said, it's mixed reviews everywhere about this material. A lot of people like it, a lot of people don't. So it's just, I guess it's your own perspective of how you think the material feel when you have it, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I want y'all opinion though, to let me know what y'all think I should do, if y'all think I should go ahead and just get that. But before I do, I want to know about the perforated inserts and the two-tone. I want to know about that before I just make my final decision on if I want to get one of those two, you feel me, instead of, because I don't think I want the diamond stitching, and the pipeline, it really not too much. It's just a line going around the seat, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think I want, I don't, like I said, I honestly don't know which one I want, because I haven't seen the pictures of the other two. But I don't think I want the diamond stitching, because I feel like the diamond stitching is a little overplayed, I can kind of say, or even a little outdated, because now people doing like a little bit simpler stuff, you know what I'm saying, instead of the diamonds all the way down the seats. But then again, it's what I've seen around most people's cars and stuff, instead of like just everywhere, you know. So like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. Y'all let me know y'all opinions in the comments. Get down there, let me know, flood them comments, let me know what y'all think. Y'all know I reply to every comment, so, and I read everything. So yeah, I need y'all opinions to let me know what y'all think I should do. If y'all think I should just send it to an interior shop, let them deal with it, or if I should go ahead and get them seat covers. So y'all know that these not no normal seat covers that you just throw over the seats. You gotta take this material, the material off these seats, and put that material on. So it's not just normal seat covers, you feel me, that you just throw right on top of this. It's like actual seat replacements, basically, I could say. Seat material replacements, I can kind of say. I stuttered there. Seat material replacements. Try to say that 3 times fast. But yeah, like I said, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay tuned, because I have the material for the box Chevy's center console. We should be doing that maybe the next video, might be the next video we do. Box Chevy almost finished. Like I told y'all, he was checking out my transmission for me. So like I said, I'm not in no rush for that car either. There ain't really nothing I'm doing with it. So yeah, like I said, y'all just stay tuned. A lot to come, a lot we finna do, and I'm having fun again building these cars and doing my own thing with these cars. So like I said, it's gonna be the end of this, so make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop, and hit that share button. Share the video to as many people as you can to help the channel keep growing, you know what I'm saying? We grinding, road to 3K, we almost there. We at 2.8, almost 2.9, so we grinding, road to 3K. Make sure y'all share the channel. But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Keep God first and God bless. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.